At the beginning of the 20th century, it was said that no home, public building, hotel or institution was complete without ceramic tiles. After the Second World War, demand for perfect quality, sizing and shading caused manufacturers to incorporate more mechanization into the way the tiles were manufactured, which was a prelude to the high-tech industry it is today. The materials used to make tiles have changed little since the beginning. In simple terms, ceramic tiles are thin slabs of baked clay. The body is a mixture of three main ingredients: clay from Devon, limestone from Derbyshire, and sand from Staffordshire or Cheshire. Today, the silica sand content can be reduced by incorporating fired ceramic waste into the mix. In some instances, up to 25% of the ingredients are recycled. Great care is taken to ensure that the ingredients are accurately mixed so that the highest quality is maintained. The ingredients are mixed with water and ground together in a continuous ball mill, using river stones to act as the grinding medium. After this, the mixture, called slip, is passed through vibrating sieves and over magnets which remove impurities and particles of iron which would cause specks in the finished tiles. Following the sieving, the mixture, or slip, is dried by passing it through a spray dryer. The liquid is sprayed into a 100-foot-high tower, which is heated to 500 degrees centigrade to drive off the water and to leave a granulate. The resulting powder has a moisture content of about 6%. The granulate is used in the tile presses, which are hydraulically operated and form tiles at a rate of up to 240 per minute for the 100 by 100 millimeter sized tiles. The tiles are pressed at a pressure of up to 150 tons and dried to a moisture content of around 0.5% and surface temperature of about 80 degrees centigrade. Whilst the tiles are not fired at this stage, they are strong enough to be fed along conveyors for decoration. The glaze and decoration is applied to the tiles prior to firing. First, the tiles pass through a water spray, followed by curtains of glaze, which coat the tile surface with an even coat of glaze. After this, the tile can be sent direct to kiln if it is a plain coloured tile, or it passes through the decoration processes. If the tile is plain coloured, it will continue down the conveyor and be loaded into a special roller cage prior to firing. Tiles can be decorated using one of several processes. The traditional method for volume production was silk screen, which allowed designs using up to 6 colours to be applied. During the 1990s, a new method of decoration was developed which used neoprene. This material has the design laser etched into the neoprene, which is formed into a roller. Using one roller for each colour, it transfers the print colour onto the tiles. This new process, called rotocolor, has the advantage over silk screen when the design is a stone or marbled pattern needing random decoration, rather than every tile being identical. In the last 2 years, an entirely new decoration process has been developed to allow volume tile production levels to be decorated. The process uses 4-color print technology and photographic resolution in providing non-contact inkjet decorating to create realistic marbles and stone effect tiles in a single pass through the machine. Unlike the other 2 processes, inkjet decorates right up to and over the edges of the tile, including the curved section, which the other 2 methods are not able to do. This ability to decorate the complete tile, whether a flat or profile structured tile, adds to the authenticity of the design. After decorating, the tiles are sent to the kiln for firing. In this factory, this is done using computer-controlled wire-guided transporters, moving 200 square meters of tiles in special roller cages. The tiles are fed into the single-layer roller hearth kiln, which is over 100 meters long. Depending on the size of tile, the firing process can be as quick as 33 minutes, the largest tiles taking just under an hour. The tiles are gradually preheated before achieving the firing temperature of 1,130 degrees centigrade. The kiln uses natural gas for heating, and this company has installed a heat recovery unit on the kiln we see now to draw waste heat from the exit end of the kiln to preheat the combustion air, so reducing consumption by 10%. The cooled tiles are fed back into the roller cage to be passed to the final inspection lines and then to be packaged. After packing and loading onto a pallet, the tiles are sent to the warehouse for dispatch to the customer. Life has changed little over the centuries in respect of the ingredients. It is still using materials from the earth, mixing them together and firing them in an oven. The way tiles are made couldn't be more different, as modern machinery has been developed to ensure that the tiles meet all the specification standards. The sophisticated decoration processes mean that tiles can be used in all types of buildings and not just limited to kitchens and bathrooms. To summarize, tiles today continue to be popular because they are hard-wearing, easily cleaned, provide a hygienic surface, they are sustainable, are non-combustible, do not fade, and their decoration is fashionable. Ceramic wall and floor tiles are entirely suitable for modern living, and as technology continues to develop the processes and decoration, tiles will be used in more areas of the home, and not just in kitchens and bathrooms.